forever.
This one's bleeding like crazy. Come on.
Craig.
He's still alive.
Oh, he's trying to fly.
Yeah.
Oh, fella.
There you go. Just drop it. Hungry still.
Oh my god, I suck at this.
You have to feed the other one. The other one has it.
It doesn't matter. Just get another one, Chad.
This one's hardly
There's still tons
Did
of
they
them.
all escape?
They're all in there. You gotta dig for them. That's how you get them. Look at that.
Like I said, instead of drilling a new hole, I'm thinking, I bet you, because this here,
Eat it.
that shaft,
No.
it's going to be about the same size.
Oh, crap.
No, but see, that's what I'm saying. This, what's that outside?
That one down there is really hungry.
Yeah.
That's why he really wants food.
I'll nuzzle this around him.
Try to taste it.
I feel bad for this one. It's not eating at all.
Yeah, okay, his head's covered now.
I got it. Tyler.
I can't even move it. You gotta move it.
Keep, Shaddy, keep trying to feed this one.
This is good. See, once you get this,
Yes.
No, I'm recording.
Some of the mortar's hard, some of it's soft. I do want to continue to go as slow as possible, just because I do not want to chip this brick at all. It's going to take some time. It is, yep.
You take my phone.
Hold on, guys.
No, my phone.
Hold on, I'm trying really hard.
Yep, you got it.
Oh, it moved both.
Slow and easy, right? That's right. We don't want to chip this brick.
Call my phone.
Yeah, call my phone. Birdies.
Don't call my phone.
Night, night.
Don't call